All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at another case from Binks, this time for the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, when you hit the link in the description, you'll find these cases for anything that's available, not just the ones shown on video here in my last couple of videos, but love working with Binks. They have some phenomenal cases. This one right here is nothing short of great as well. Love the ultra thin cases. And as you can see here, they've been in business since 2008. Wow, I don't know if I've ever paid attention to that. Their case packaging is very acceptable. It's very impressive. Based on today's standards, a lot of companies are going with a more recycled look, and this could be recycled paper, but the presentation is great. That lets you know that you're buying, it helps to promote that you're buying a quality product. Now, for those that have never purchased Binks before, you might say, whoa, that's an expensive case, it's over the top with the fancy packaging. However, with lots of experience from Benks cases, their cases are actually really solid. So as you can see in typical fashion here, they're letting you know this is Kevlar and it is light and durable. Full protection you'll get and scratch resistant. Now, most of the time, what you'll see from Binks is a solid case, and it could be your one-stop shop, for a case. Meaning once you get that case, you'll probably just keep it on there and it's gonna work for you as long as you have the life of the device. Binks cases are not just packaged well, they look great. As you open it up here, you'll see more packaging here. And the way you open the case is you flip it over, and there's a little green tab here. You pull that. After you get that up, you reach inside here, and you pull the case out. And one thing I didn't point out in some of the other videos I've done on Binks cases, there's always instructions. You can see here, there's videos if you can't figure it out. There are instructions to put the case on if in fact you need help. It tells you how to do it, go at an angle to take it off, snap it out this way, and it shows you how to keep it in pristine condition when taking it on and off. So we'll put this to the side here, and we'll take a look at the case. Now, this case is actually really sleek. I like it because I have the Pro model. I have the smaller version now that I've been using since launching. This is really good. Obviously, you've got that MagSafe technology. That's a strong battery on there. That thing is strong. Wow, it is strong. That's a strong magnet in there. So let you know that it will work with all your car mounts and every other mount that you have. This case is compatible, and I think this is a really good look. So with the iPhone, in comparison to some other phones, you'll need to expose both sides over here. So on this one, you have the volume rocker and the action button, and then the power button's exposed on this side. But on the bottom, it is completely enclosed on the corners and everything, so it lets you know it's going to be doing well. And you have the ring around the camera here for help with flash. You've got some Binks branding right there. And then as you can see here in the colors, you've got this beautiful blue, green, and orange type deal. I could see myself wearing a sweater with some khakis and some Clarks with my sweater being this color, and some dark blue khakis or some tan khakis and some brown Clarks. That would be so sweet. But anyway, this is a beautiful color, and it can go with, some people dress and change cases by the fitting that they're wearing, and I do that too. But this is such an elegant case, and it's also drop protection as well. So let's slide it in. Now with the iPhone, you'll want to slide in like so, and then you just drop it down in there, and it just goes in with ease. And as you can see here, I am using a tempered glass. You can see I'm using a privacy glass because you can't see it. And then you can see the exposed areas here of the action button, the volume rocker, the power button. But everything after that is closed. Now, I'll admit, the toughest part for me with these cases has always been getting it off. But with Binks, it's a lot easier to get off than other brands. I'm not going to say the brand, but these cases are super easy to get off in comparison. They give you a little bit more leeway. Again, I'm not going to say the other brand, but just the flex on these is so good that you genuinely get it off with ease. You can see me popping it off without even trying. I used to hurt my hands and fingers with other cases that I would take off like this, and man, it would just hurt so bad. And I just didn't want to deal with it, and I ended up not wearing those cases anymore. Love those cases, but the Benks case goes in and off very well. And let me show you the same one here that I showed you in a previous video for the S24 Ultra. This is just a beautiful, beautiful setup right here. And I'm really happy that Binks is still doing business. and they have phenomenal cases. So I'll leave a link in the description to the website for Binks. That way you can look through all of the cases and phone options and everything they offer on the site, not just for this phone. So take a look at that, and I think you'll be impressed with what you see there with the Binks selection. This has been Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.